WULF stock analysis and price predictions for next week. Now, this is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this quick 1-minute video. Now, so watch till the end, right? Now, this having delivered very nicely lately, like all I'm looking to do is just double down on this beautiful bullish market. Also, having done 45,000 videos over 5 years of seeing what's working for me and what's not. So, with Wolf Speed, only if I see the price going down a bit and then giving me a shift or something similar, am I going to look to take things further up. But like I always say, like me randomly buying is just simply not going to be happening. So what I'll do, just get rid of this. Kruta. All I'm doing is waiting for in the meantime. I mean, I don't doubt that the price just will demolish the top, but if it somehow pulls down before it does that, I'm here ready to pull the trigger and buy more. That's how Wolf is looking like for me. This is not financial advice. I do have a bunch of receipts with Wolf in my Discord, like 11 results. So if you want to stay tuned and get free sales, and just click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll show you how